What are the 4 mistakes that you are doing during the breakup recovery? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, your relationship expert. And today I want to dive into your situation about breakup recovery because I was reading your comments. I was reading every question that you asked us, and I can tell you that today you made these 4 mistakes, and this is why you cannot get back together. Number 1 mistake is going too fast. I know that you have heard about the no contact or the letter, but today you want to go too fast because you're so much in love with your ex that you want to make sure you will not lose 1 minute of your time. But it's not a good idea because you need to rebuild trust. And rebuilding trust takes time. So it's now that you need to take your time, enjoy the process of rebuilding yourself, and then I can guarantee you we can do some actions to your ex. We can try to communicate with him or with her. But today, you need to take your time. Because if you are going too fast, for example, I did no contact during 1 week and then I send a letter. This letter will not be strong because you didn't take your time. You didn't really have changed. It was just, okay, I heard I need to do no contact and the letter, so I did it. But I didn't really change myself. So this is why I want you to take your time to look at all the videos, to come on the website withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles that can help you control your emotions. So number 1, stop going too fast. Number 2, and I will say this one is really important for me. So you need to understand. Every people, men and women, when we are in the process of getting back with the one that we love, we are always looking at their feelings. Do they love me? And this is not the right question. The right question is about happiness. Can I make them happy? Can I make him or her happy? So you should not focus on your feelings, on love, because this is not the purpose of the process. The process is about, can you make them happy and can you be happy? Did you work on yourself to first be happy in your life? Try to show that you will never be in the codependency. You will never be emotionally dependent, or you will just be independent, but you can also express your feelings. Show that you have really changed all your patterns and all your bad habits that just created the breakup. If you can do that, it's not showing that you love them. It's not showing that there is love between you, because we know that. It's just rebuilding trust, as I said. So it's time for you now to forget about love and to put your focus on happiness. Are you happy in your life? You will answer, no, Alex, I need my ex to be happy. And unfortunately, I have to tell you, no, guys. You need to first be happy, because then your ex will come back. You will have to do nothing when they will see your charisma, your confidence, your smile. It will be so easy to do some actions. I can guarantee you our plan will work. But if today you tell me, Alex, I'm not happy, I need my ex, what do you want me to give you some advice? What advice can I give you just to rebuild yourself? Okay, so don't go too fast. And then focus on happiness instead of love. Love is not the answer when we want to get back with someone. Because if we focus on love, we are focusing on the past relationship. And the mind of your ex will always see that. When we focus on happiness, it's opening a new page. Even if your relationship was so incredible, even if you had a lot of love between you, I can guarantee you that happiness is the new way that you can get back together, because this is opening a new page. Mistakes number 3, you're always asking for the magical method. There is no magic in the process of getting back together. I'm so sorry to tell you that. I know this situation is hurting you. I know how much you can be sad, because you know what? Every single day, I'm over the phone with you. I'm trying to give you the support that you need. But I can guarantee you, every tip that you have on Love Advice TV, coming from Coach Natalie, Coach Adrian, Coach Steven, Coach Shamira, Coach Abby, you need to understand it's not magic. It's just the way human works. When I tell you something, it's because I've studied so much relationship and human mind. So there is no magic. When we do the no contact, it's because we really want to rebuild your self-confidence. When we do the letter, it's a strong action to show that you can set the foundation of the process of getting back together. I will do a special video about the letter because so many people think just one letter will make your ex come back, which is not the case. But the letter, it's a good foundation. And in a couple of weeks later, your ex will always think about your words, which is really important for us. So there is no magic. And I'm so sorry to tell you that. But at the same time, if you can understand my message, to say, if you study all human people, men, women, even if she or he is so stubborn, it can work because it's about emotions. It's about how our mind is working. And the last mistake that you are doing, which is, for me, the most common. You are always waiting for your ex to tell you what he or she wants. If you are waiting for your ex to tell you how you can get back together, you are on the wrong way and you need to stop right now. Words are nothing for us, okay? We want to focus on the actions and we want to take the leadership of the situation. So if today you were telling me, Alex, you know, my ex told me that maybe one day we'll be back together, I will say, that's not a good idea because now you are under control. He or she is on a pedestal. He or she has the power of the decision. And I know this word power is not perfect, but this is the only one with my French glitch that I can find. It's kind of a power because we want to show your ex that you have changed and that you are now a new opportunity. So if you can avoid these 4 mistakes, I can guarantee you your life will never be the same because you will control your emotion, you will take your time, never go too fast, you will focus on happiness, that will make you happy and that will make your ex happy. The love is here, but the happiness was gone and we need to rebuild this happiness. Then there is no magical situation. It's all about human behavior. And if you can train yourself, your relationship, but also your social skills or your professional life will change. When you will do a coaching with us, you will see that we can change your life forever in every aspect of your life. And the last mistake that you're doing, and I want you to stop looking at what your ex is telling you because he or she will not give you the formula to get back together. That will never happen. This is why today I want to give you something. Getting back with an ex, getting back with the significant each other. It's just one word. Surprise. If you can surprise your ex, you will be back. I can guarantee you that. So if you have any question, I will be myself, Coach Samira, Coach Steven, here in the comment section. I want to help you. I know my French accent is not that easy, but you can listen one more time this video because I'm giving you the 4 mistakes that you should never do anymore. If you want to book a coaching session, I will be so happy to be your relationship expert, to stand with you and to help you getting back with the one that you love because it's possible. Please give a like to this video, subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel, and I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.